All right, sometimes you have the occasion of actually needing to create a manual grade item. Say, for instance, you are needing to create a pop quiz, something that was actually delivered in class on paper, but you actually want it to go into Moodle. So this is how you would do that. So we're in our course. We will need to go and select the Grades tab. Once we select our Grades tab, we then want to go from this view, change our view from Grader Report down to what's called Gradebook Setup. All right, as you can see, there's quite a few subcategories here, and I want my quizzes to go inside of the quiz subcategory. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a grade item. And I'm going to call this quiz number 1. And I am going to set it under the quizzes category. And I want the quiz to be worth 100 points. All right, so once I select Save Changes, that now populates there. And you can see the icon is a little bit different. It just has it's a rounded edge square. As you can see, the assignments have what looks like a piece of paper that has an up arrow. And then some of the other activities are going to have something that's more specific to what the activity is. But for the manual grade items, they're going to look like this. All right, so hopefully this is helpful.